Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm a new blogger, Crypto Hand. I use the shortest time every day to bring you the most practical information about the coin circle, stocks, and the futures circle. However, I have to say that the following content is only for news, not for investment advice. First of all, let's review Bitcoin's price performance over the past 24 hours and analyze key technical indicators and market trends. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. In terms of trading volume, the trading volume in the past 24 hours was $207.88 billion US, which is the highest this week. Whether it can continue to increase depends on the trading volume in the next 2 days. However, today is the regular FOMC meeting. If Fed Chairman Powell continues to keep the current interest rate unchanged, it is likely to usher in a wave of declines, and now all the predictions are basically to keep the current interest rate unchanged. Those who have the conditions can make part of the profits in the pocket and wait for the meeting to end before making any operations. Next, we move on to the technical analysis from the 4-hour chart. After Bitcoin broke through $85,000, the trading volume continued to rise. Most retail investors saw that the pressure level here was broken and entered the market, and the price rose directly with a positive line. However, when it rose to around $87,000, the rise stagnated and lacked momentum, which explained two problems. The first was that there was not too much capital entering the crypto market during the Asian trading hours. The second was that everyone was still on the sidelines about the current Bitcoin environment. The current value of the market's fear and greed index is 49, which is in a neutral state. It has increased a lot compared to the previous panic state, but the more it happens, the more we need to be vigilant. There's no news of positive trend in the market. The recent increase is mainly caused by the rise of U.S. stocks. We still need to be vigilant against the institutions selling again and pulling down the market. At present, the 200-day moving average intersects with the current price. If it can stabilize above the 200-day moving average, there will be an upward momentum. If it falls back below the 200-day moving average again, forming a death cross, then the bear market may begin. In summary, Bitcoin has shown a small upward trend in the past 24 hours. If it can stand above $85,000, the market will usher in a new wave of upward trend. The FOMC meeting on March 20 will be an important factor affecting the market. If the interest rate can be cut and a shocking reversal is achieved, the market will rush to a new historical height. If the interest rate remains unchanged, the opening of the U.S. stock market today is likely to usher in a wave of decline. If you are a short-term trader, you can choose to go short or long according to the conclusion of the meeting. If you are a long-term holder, you can enter the market at the current position. If it continues to fall, you can continue to buy by DCA. Regardless of the outcome of today's meeting, it is a low point for the market now, and it is definitely a relatively low position to enter into the market. BRPay platform will provide you with better and more convenient services in the crypto market. BRPay is a world-leading multi-asset trading center headquartered in Singapore. It has successfully established subsidiaries and expanded its business in the United States, Hong Kong, and other places. At present, the number of registered users has reached 509,000, covering various countries and regions around the world. Its business includes global payments and international remittance, as well as major investment services such as U.S. stocks, Hong Kong stocks, and digital currencies. BRPay currently supports online real-time exchange of more than 30 mainstream legal currencies and more than 200 mainstream digital currencies. You can check the exchange rate and convert it on the BRPay website. It provides a mid-rate with zero hidden price differences and has only a very small handling fee, which is simpler, more transparent, and cheaper. It also adopts the local transfer method in most countries or regions in the world, with no limit on the amount, and truly achieves same-day remittance and same-day arrival, making global remittance faster, more convenient, and safer. So much for today's sharing. See you tomorrow.